How to record a WhatsApp call. I'm gonna call my friend from my phone, and then I'm gonna use my computer to record the audio. So what you have to do is download Audacity, and it is a very light application and it's free. Call up your friend and have the phone call very close to the microphone. So let's start recording right now. I'm gonna call my friend.
Hello.
Yo, what's up? And that's pretty much it. Now you can click this button right here, go to File, Export as MP3, call it whatever you like. And there you go. Now you can exit this. So now I'm gonna check the audio that I recorded. Here it is. Start recording right now. I'm gonna call my friend.
Hello.
Yo, what's up? That's how to record phone calls in WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.